All right, what's up everybody, and welcome back to another video. So what I have decided to do is to try the rice water for my hair. I think I'm gonna try for like 3, maybe 4 weeks. Probably just try for a month to really give it time to activate and to make a change to my hair. So I really don't do too much to my hair already, but I have decided that with this quarantine I am going to just keep it twisted up. So if you can see it, this is really how it's been for like the last 2 weeks, and I just keep it like this. I wash it with conditioner and I use Eco Styling Gel and Shea Moisture coily hair or coily something. And this is how it turns out. And I don't take it loose unless I'm actually washing it again. So I seen that the first thing you do, this is the only rice that we have at the house right now. So they said it doesn't matter which kind of rice you just use rice. So you have to clean the rice first, and then you put it into a jar, which I did go get a jar. I went and got a mason jar to let it sit overnight, because you do want to let it sit overnight for 24 hours. So first I'm going to start with just cleaning the rice. So first I'm going to start with putting rice in the bowl. I'm going to use all of it. Why not? And then I'm going... No. I'm going to fill it up with water. So this is to clean it. So just clean it. This water is going to be poured out, so it doesn't really matter how much you put in there, because you're going to drain it out and you're going to refill it with water and put it in your mason jar. And I seen where Mercy, she did hers with orange so that it didn't smell so bad, but I don't have oranges, I don't think. So I guess I'm just gonna have to go with this. Now that I have washed my rice, it's all clean now. I'm going to go ahead and put it inside of my jar. I did pick up a mason jar. I went to the dollar store and got a mason jar. So I'm gonna put my rice into my jar now. Trying not to make a mess, because I've already spilled some on the floor. And some people do this differently. They put the water in and then drain it into there, but I'm gonna keep it simple and less messy and put the rice in there first. You can use it all or just some of it, because you really just want, it's really gonna, the rice is gonna absorb all the water, so you don't want it to kind of overflow, because you're gonna have to drain the rice out tomorrow. But for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna put it all in there. So I'm just gonna pack it down. And now you fill it with water. Welcome back, you guys. So remember that I made my rice water and I'm going to use that today because today is wash day. So I have my water here, and it's been sitting for a couple days, so I'm really hoping that it's still good and it's not too rank. But I know that it's supposed to smell anyhow, so I haven't opened it or smelled it, so I'm just gonna go with it. So my hair is still twisted up, as you see. It's still the same way as it's been. This is my Corona hairstyle that is going to be like for a while, because when I go out, I have been putting on a hat and it's been working for me. So I have my water here. I'm gonna spray my hair with the rice water, and I'm gonna let it sit on my hair for about 20 to 30 minutes because I'm cleaning up the house right now. So this would be good and keep me distracted instead of me sitting here watching the timer. So first, spray my hair with the rice water. All right, let me spray it, make sure it's not, I want to smell it now. Ugh, that stinks. Let me get a towel because I don't want to get my robe all messed up. All right. So I am going to use this towel, and I think I have a little clamp that I can use. Ew, that stinks. Yuck. All right. My thing is clamped. So I think I'm gonna leave my hair like this. So hopefully it penetrates through my little braids or twist. We'll see how this works. So you're supposed to douse your hair completely. Let me not spray it too far because I don't want this on my floor and then I come in my bathroom like, what the hell is that smell? So I'll spray each braid thoroughly. I hope this doesn't break out my face when it hits it either. You guys, this really stinks when you let it sit for like days. Ew. I'm probably gonna have to. Ew. I don't know how many times I'm gonna do this because I can't even take the smell. But it's probably my fault for letting it sit for so long, because this past weekend we went to my best friend's house, so I didn't do it. And my fiance, she's been asking me when I'm going to actually use it. And I'm like, when is wash day? When is wash day? So that's been my holdup with getting this done. And I really want to get my edges. So I'm gonna spray those generously. Get my scalp. You guys, this really stinks. If you can take the smell, then go for it. Like, I barely can. It really stinks. All right, I don't want it dripping everywhere. And I probably like put it up in this little hair, in this hair clip. Use this hair clip and pin it up so it's not dripping all over my face. So I'm putting it like all together. Oh, it went down my back. Oh God. Damn it, I'm gonna have to wash my robe. Oh well, it's in there now, so hopefully it doesn't go down my butt crack. One remedy that I do want to do is the aloe vera. Putting the aloe vera on my hair. I have to figure out where I can get it whole here and not like it. I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to get what comes in the bottle, so not gonna get that. Well, I might end up using everything that's in the bottle because, you know, I don't know if you can see it. It's about right here. Remember when I started, it was like up there. So good. Did not want to keep this because it stank. This smell is so rancid. Yeah, good thing this is, they say you're only supposed to do this like once a week, so, and for only 20 minutes, and that's how often I will probably do it. So my hair is all sprayed. You guys will probably be able to see how wet it is compared to how it looked very dry when I first started the video. So this is my hair now, and I'm gonna leave it for 20 minutes. I'll see you after I rinse it out. Because this stuff really stinks. I'm gonna try to hurry up and be distracted so I'm not thinking about the smell. All right, later. All right, so I did want to give you guys an update. So I just got out the shower, and I have not moisturized or did anything. So don't be judging me. But anyhow, so this is how my hair is since getting out the shower, because I really scrubbed it. So there's no after smell or anything like that. I conditioned it twice. The first one I rinsed out, the second one I let sit until my shower was done. So to make sure that I didn't get I didn't leave out anything, so, or leave that smell in my hair. So so far so good. I don't know what I was really expecting. I don't think I was really expecting anything for the first round of the rice water spray. So I guess I'll do an update in about 2 or 3 weeks to see if I notice a difference with my hair. But right now, this is how my hair looks, and it's about that long, and it's really about, it probably is about this long, or probably shorter, because I haven't had my ends trimmed or clipped in years. So that's probably another reason why my hair isn't growing as much. But that's my experience, my first experience with the rice water, and I will do it again. So you guys try it out. Let me know how it worked for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. You guys don't know that we are trying to get our views up. This is me and Babe's channel. It started out as mine, but we are merging it as ours instead of starting a whole new channel. But you guys have to help us get these views up. Like that video, like all the other videos. Subscribe to our channel. Smash the like button so we can get some bangers going for you guys. So until the next video, we'll see you later.